Great student Riza to deliver English speech.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning everyone. I am Riza, studying in first standard. Today we are celebrating our 76th Republic Day. At first I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. Republic Day is a national festival of India. On this day in 1950, India became Republic and our Constitution came into effect. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. It is very important day in the history of India. We are proud to be an Indian. I love my country. Jai Hind. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.